How to use bulk action feature on OffersHub dashboard. Click on Tools, go to Bulk Actions. Now you can perform actions on bulk publishers, bulk offers, and bulk advertisers. If you want to perform bulk actions on offers, select Update Offers in Bulk Action Type, then select the offers on which you want to perform the action. Then you can select the action which you want to perform. For example, set expiry date. After that, it will ask for expiry date. Select the expiry date and click on Review Update. Now it will show you offers which will be affected. After this, you can click on Confirm and bulk action will be performed on the selected offers. If you want to perform bulk actions on publishers, select Update Publishers in Bulk Action Type, then select the publishers on which you want to perform the action. Then you can select the action which you want to perform. For example, Approve Offers. Then select the offers which you want to approve. After selecting offers, click on Review Update. Now it will show you publishers' accounts which will be affected. After that, you can click on Confirm and bulk action will be performed on selected publishers. If you want to perform bulk actions on advertisers, select Update Advertisers in Bulk Action Type, then select the advertisers on which you want to perform the action. Then you can select the action which you want to perform. For example, Change Status. You can select the status and click on Review Update. Now it will show you advertisers' accounts which will be affected. After that, you can click on Confirm and bulk action will be performed on selected advertisers.